really trying hard to keep this upright so that the whole thing doesn't flip over. Look at all the people. There's another truck down the road a bit. Sabrina just arrived on the property after a hard day's work. Oh, I guess it wasn't hard. Listen to her laugh. It's not as hard as this. My hands are getting really tired of holding up my phone. Look at the flashing lights on that tow truck. Ooh, they're lifting it up. Look at how high those wheels are getting now. It's tipping a little bit. Oh, they're trying to straighten it out now. Looks like it's tipping a little bit to the right. Oh, they're letting it go down. I was thinking that then you could maybe do